Mwaha! 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 Finally, it's mine. All mine! Oh, please. You couldn't handle so much power anyway. I, on the other hand, know exactly what to do. It's finally time for me to take my rightful place as the most powerful fire alicorn of all time! You again? How many times have I told you? Get out of here! No pony can stop me now! Well, not exactly. Thanks to your little dragon baby and all his dragon fire, I'm not just an evil alicorn. I'm a fire alicorn! I tried to warn you, but did you listen? Ugh, so pathetic. No pony could ever stop. Oh, hey! Donuts! This won't hold me forever! Power looks so good on you, Opaline. Those ponies don't stand a chance.